Hey everybody, back on the trailer here for the wheel horse, and I went ahead and made these stand-ups here for the cross braces, I guess you'd call them, and I made the whole thing level, as level as I could get it. So there's that. And I had to tweak some of these because this is not exactly straight up and down. But so, that's about as level as I'm gonna get it. So, and I marked these. The next process is going to be, excuse me, welding, tack welding these things. So I got this little welder here I've had for a long time, and it seems to work okay on stuff like this, or at least for me. And I took this wheel off. What I was going to do is move this over to here, but I don't know. It's kind of handy right there, although it's going to be kind of difficult to reach back in here. I guess I could just tack them here on this jig and then move it over. But everything seems to be going fine. Hang on a minute and we'll try to tack one of these real quick here. Let me set you over here. Hang on a minute. I changed my mind. I'm going to practice. I'm going to practice on a scrap piece and get it dialed in right. I think that's a good idea before I go messing around on the thing there. Alright, hang on one sec. Okay, well, I got this thing set up here for practice. And I got this thing going to be set on that right there. So let's see what happens. doesn't seem to be hot enough there. Turn it back up to max. Yeah, that ain't this water is not working for me here. I'm gonna go to the stick water. Look at that mess. Yep. So hang on a minute. I'll get the stick water set up. Hang on. Okay, I got the machine turned down to 45. And I took the magnets off. I'll tell you, one time I had a couple pieces of metal stuck together with a magnet, and that MIG water was having a heck of a time with it. I took the magnet off, it was fine. I should have tried that here, but let's see what happens here. I'd rather use the stick water anyway. Oh yeah, that's 100 times easier. I got a TIG water with this machine, but man, I am not going to try to learn how to do that right now. I have practiced before, but I can't get it. Yeah, that ain't bad there, so I think this is what I do here. I use this thing. Oh, I better get back here. I blew a hole back here. I turned it down a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Amazing. 42 to 45. That's a difference. Nope, blew a hole through there, but I think that was. Man, it's easy to blow holes through this stuff, I'll tell you that. Well, I think that'll work. Careful. So we will we'll continue this. Hang on a second. Oh, by the way, that rod was a 6013. I got these 6013s, these little tiny ones here. I'm gonna try one of these. You know, they're like 1/8 inch, I guess. Let's try one of these, just for the heck of it. Now they're, let me turn it down to like 25 here. They're blowing through this thing. That's a little cold. That's not bad. Yeah, I think I'll use those little ones with a real low voltage. Although the other ones work fine too, but I don't know. We'll give this a shot with these little ones. All right, hang on. Well, what I think I'll do, I think I'll just tack these here on this thing, and then once I get them tacked, I can move it away from here because it's going to be tough welding way back there. But I think I'll start with that one. See what happens. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on one second. I got to do something. I just moved that ground from over there to over there. So, you know, better chance of helping things out a little bit. All right, here we go. Hold your breath. magnet's not strong enough to hold it, so. I gotta get around here in front of it, so bear with me. You know, I think I like those bigger rods better. Yeah, it ain't gonna fall off. Yeah, those bigger rods seem to work a little better. Hang on a second. It's a mess. But it's on there. One second. Well, I didn't like that, so I took it off. It actually just pulled right off, so I'm glad I did that. I ground it up there. And I went back to the larger diameter welding rod. I'm down to 34 volts on this thing, so amps or whatever it is. So 6013, here we go, let's try it. Well, that seems to be a little easier. Man, it's just, if you're not careful, man, it'll blow right through that stuff. I'm gonna go down to 30. My goodness. I don't know. I don't know if that's better or not. I don't know. Maybe it is. Well, it's holding. It's holding a little better than that last one. So hang on a second. I gotta change position. All right, here we go. Number 2. Yeah, number 2. That's perfect. Yeah, sorry, I know you can't see nothing, you know, ain't much to see anyway. Well, that seems to be working a little easier. Hang on a second. Oh, wait a minute, let me try it. If it falls off, you'll see it. Yeah, it's on there. Alright, I'll do these other two and I'll come back. Alright, well, I got the other two on there and they're not going to fall off. But I gotta tell you, I'm embarrassed. But this stitch welding, yeah, it dawned on me what this is called, stitch welding, I think. It's a pain. For me, anyway. I should have learned how to use this TIG welder. But anyway, well, I'm gonna get this off this thing here, put it on this bench right here, and grind all this mess down and try to fix it up. So we'll call that a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.